Alright, you guys, what is up? It is your boy XJ Fusion here, and today in this video I'm going to be showing you how to open a Xbox One controller without a Torx screwdriver. If you guys do not know what a Torx screwdriver actually is, what it is a security screwdriver meant for no tampering. So basically all you want to do to start off is take out the battery pack. So I took that out. Alright. Now all that you want to do is you want to take out these side panels, which I will do right now. If you guys don't know how to do this, all you want to do is just go over to the corner and slide it under the edge of the casing, and that should pop right off. For the purpose of this video, all I'm going to do is just take off one, because I don't actually need to open the controller. Or actually no, I'll go as far as open for you guys, just to show you around. Now there's many different purposes for why you might need to open a controller. For me, it was actually that my joystick on the Covert Forces broke. And I could not use it, so what I did was I actually swapped out parts from another controller. There we go. I don't know why this is... There we go. Alright guys, now here comes the very important part. Let me open that up for you so that way you have some better lighting. Alright. Now, if you guys pay close attention, I think I did to all these screws, but you want to get something with a very small point. For me, it's going to be a nail file. Very small point and very thin. And all that you want to do is you want to just get into that screwdriver, or into that screw, and you just want to keep prying and prying and prying, just trying to bend the middle piece in there. Once you bend that middle piece, you just, so say it's bent like this, and then you want to just take it and you want to push it back the opposite way, and it'll actually break off. And then you can take any sort of screwdriver that fits in there and gets a good grip. For me, it's going to be a I don't know actually what this is called, but it fits in there perfectly and gets the job done pretty damn well. As you guys can hear, your screwdriver will slip, but just use force and it will actually end up coming out. Now for these screws, you actually could use what you were using to break the points off of. In fact, I think this one I'm going to have to show you how to do that, because I think it still has the point. I'm not too sure. That screws out, but it's not actually coming out of the hole. Alright, now fill this last screw. I just get this in there. Oh no. And it will slip a bunch of times, but once you get the right pressure down, and get used to it. As you guys can see, I am actually turning it. Now, guys, you will get very frustrated doing this. You just need to stay calm. Alright, now once you have taken that off, it should come right off just like that. And you can set that away from the side. As you guys can see, that's the faceplate. Put that to the side. Alright, and now you guys are left with this. Now you guys, say if you have to actually fix something with this. So say like your joystick broke, like me. As you guys can see, I was already in this. I painted a controller and I ended up needing to use one of those for these. So for me, this part snapped off clean, so I ended up taking apart another controller and actually taking the tiniest Allen wrench that I could find and just taking out this screw and this screw. Once you take out this whole entire plate will come off, and then you can put in your other one. Nice thing is, as long as it fits in here perfect, you can use it. So I'm pretty sure all Xbox controller parts you can use. Maybe not like an Elite controller and you swap parts in from an old controller, I'm not too sure. But yeah, as you guys can also see, I did remove the vibrator, so it's going to be a lot lighter. You don't have to do this, but if you guys do need to switch out that panel, all you have to do is you just have to like make a little cut in these, and then you can slip out the vibrator and the wires. And for the trigger ones, all you have to do is basically unscrew these little screws, and then the trigger will actually come off and the vibrator will be in there. But for me, I actually ended up taking those out because for me, I don't like the vibration when I'm playing a game, so I like to keep them off. But anyways, guys, it's been your boy XJX Fusion, and I'm out. Peace.